Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your Dog J back again with another video, man, and we are back with another banger. It seems like Eroni Sau. Alright, this video was uploaded 7 years ago, but it has 1.1 million views. Shout out to my dog Danny, PWI, I think it's Pui. I don't know what that means, but shout out to you for this recommendation. Alright, let's go ahead and get to the video. I think Sledgehammer. What do I think about the nickname Sledgehammer? It's either he gonna be running through chests, running through people, or he gonna be dumping niggas. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the video. Either or is what I want to see. He play for Fiji? Alright, so I know this is not rugby league. I'm not gonna say union yet. 35th try in 7 series this season. The Sledgehammer. I'm trying to figure out why he got the nickname the Sledgehammer. Let's go break a tackle. It looks like he's just jogging right now. It looks like he's just chilling. Okay, there we go. There we go. This is what we wanted to see. This is what we wanted to see. Hey, I had a feeling this is why they called him Sledgehammer, dog. I had a feeling he is dumping niggas on their head. Okay. Alright, Eroni, let me see some. Okay. He don't look the biggest. Yup, run through people like I said. Get up through there. Get up through. I kind of underestimated his speed a little bit. Get up through. Hey! Sledgehammer, alright. I respect it. There you go. Get him. Hey, I love the physicality, dog. I love the physicality, bro. He's not that big, but he want it. You can tell he want it. It's all about the mental. It's all about the mental, man. He want it more than everybody else on the field. Look at it. Look at the contact. I love it. Good run, break his angle, hit that little corner, put it down. You don't gotta, there you go, just put it down. You don't gotta be too fancy now.
This time round, we call this man the Sledgehammer from Suva, and this.
Did he just truck 2 people at a time?
This time round,
he caught 2 bodies at once.
and the Sledgehammer
Alright.
from Suva, and this is why.
I like that. I like that. I was about to say something crazy, but hey. I always keep my mouth hush. Look at the fight. Look how you just square him up. Look, drop the hips, sink the hips, drop the ass, drop that shoulder, keep that head up. And drive. Look how he's driving. He's on his toes. Look how he's driving. Hey, the technique is there. The technique is there, bro. The technique, hey, he's all technique. Look at the form. Ooh. Look how he comes down, bro. Look how he's coming down. Look at the form. Look at the form. Sink the hips. Look at him sink the hips. And drive. Just drive. Good shit, bro. I love the fight. I love the effort. Look at the effort, bro. Good hit. Good hit. He's playing a lot bigger than what he is. I'll tell you that. He's playing a lot bigger than what he is. I'm not gonna lie, that low-key look like Josh Jacobs. Hey, this could have got nasty. Hey, this could have got nasty. Hold on. Hey, if that was me, I would have tried my best to drive. I don't know if that's a flag for if they would have got unsportsmanlike conduct or something. Hey, I would have made him. I would have tried to dump him, bro. Hey, he is getting into your chest. I like it. Eroni got a smooth ass run. It don't be looking like he running fast, but he moving. It don't look like he running fast till he started pulling away from everybody.
Ready there, away, Fiji.
Get off me. Still got in there.
Trying to turn Newstum inside out. Can't do it. Popped up off the deck. Newstum went for a second. It will not be enough.
Run through. Don't even feel him. Split.
I am the king and will not be.
Hey! Hold on. I need him to blow up. I don't know if he moved out the way a little bit or did he misjudge it. You gotta kill him. You gotta kill him. Look at where his eyes are at. This is a kill shot. If you see this, hold on. If you see this, or if I see this, I'm salivating at the mouth. All right. I know I'm about to have the cleanest hit of the motherfucking game. You can't get a hit no more clean than this. His eyes not even looking at you. He's looking at the ball, he's distracted, and his chest, his gut is wide open. Wide open. I'm going straight for that sternum. Hey, and he did what I said I was gonna do. He should have just left his feet. He should have stayed on his feet, picked him up. No, he should just drove. He shouldn't have left his feet. He kind of moved out the way a little bit though. When you leave your feet, you lose all your power. Oh, I was about to say, he about to break that? Okay, who's that? Getting busy. This whole team physical. Hey! That's a good hit. That's a good hit. That's a good hit. That's a good hit. Ooh, boy. I love the mentality, dog. He's trying to kill you. He didn't get that good of a lick in. He went back a little bit, but he's trying to take your head off. He's trying to take you out the game. Look at him coming down, bro. I love how he's coming down. He's not hesitating at all. No hesitation from this man. There you go. Bro, look at the aggressiveness. He just jumped the snap. That's exactly what he did. He jumped the throwback. Look at this. This is the dog right here, bro. This is a dog. This is a dog mentality right here, bro. That is a dog right there, bro. This is a dog right here, bro. Look at him. By any means possible. Oh, shit! Hey, look at how his neck snapped. Throwback. Just because you threw it, you thought you wasn't about to get hit. Oh, my goodness. Oh. I think I remember reacting to this Fiji team. Aren't they like the most well-built Like everybody on the feature team is bigger than everybody. Goodness.
Now it's Sau looking for a double, wrapped up, all in all. Beautiful offload though. Another good kickoff, another good chase, another magnificent offload.
Not catching him.
Fiji, he goes out the back for Sau. Eroni Sau on debut and on the board.
I gotta see how big he is, bro.
Very impressive.
I'm really curious.
Eroni Sau, pretty impressive. Very Malua, back on the inside, Stewart, and now Eroni Sau. Sau, he'll go all the way.
Sound like that, bro.
One that makes you feel you this ball, but he's a decoy on this occasion.
There's a good off me.
Eroni Sau.
Hey, this dude is Sledgehammer for real, man. I see exactly why they call him a Sledgehammer, bro. He's physical on both ends. Goodness. Bro, he is looking for contact.
Gonna be Fiji, 20 minutes and over for their second.
And you know what that means? He believes all his opponents are bitches on that field, bro. He believes all his opponents. The fact that he's looking for opponents, looking to run through opponents, dog. Like he thinks everybody is a bitch, bro. There's not one person on this field he don't think he can run through. Not one. And this Fiji team's been pretty good. And I believe this is rugby, right? This is just rugby. Or is it union? I know for a fact it's not league. Eroni Sau, man. Eroni is a dog. Danny, you a dog for recommending this video. Everybody that pulled up, I appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video, man. I'm out. Peace.